Assalamu alaikum. In today's competitive job market, aligning your resume with a specific job description is crucial. Without the right skills highlighted, recruiters and hiring managers may overlook your application. Moreover, the applicant tracking system ATS could filter out your resume before even it reaches human eyes if it lacks the necessary keywords. That's where Job Search Coach comes in. Job Search Coach streamlines this process by conducting the research and providing personalized edits, saving you valuable time and increasing your chances of landing your dream job. And the best part is, this tool is free to use. Job Search Coach offers 3 AI powered tools. We'll go through one by one to see how these tools work. Let's quickly see the AI resume review. So these are the steps to follow. We'll upload our existing resume. Then we need to enter the job title, company name and job description which we are applying. So here is the job posting which we are gonna apply. We'll copy paste job title, company name and job description. Once added, click on optimize your resume and let Job Search Coach analyze it. Here we go. As you can see, it has given these suggestions based on the job we are applying. By incorporating these suggestions, we can optimize our resume for this job posting and increase the chances to get hired. Let me show you few examples on how to adopt these suggestions. So firstly, it highlighted the missing skills from our resume. These are the skills which need to be added in our resume to meet the job requirements which we are applying. Let's copy AutoCAD and add in our resume. Similarly, there are other few skills which you can copy and add in your resume. The next suggestion is to update the summary. It says the current summary on our resume is informative, but it can be improved further to match the job description which we are applying. So it has given us a revised professional summary which is more aligned with the job description which we are applying. So we can copy and replace it with our current summary. Similarly, there are many other suggestions which you can go through and adopt them accordingly. This tool also checks for ATS compatibility. ATS stands for Applicant Tracking System, a software program which may reject your resume if it does not find specific keywords. So these are the missing keywords in your resume which you must have in your resume to improve your chances. Let's copy this keyword and see if it is really missing in your resume. As you can see, this keyword doesn't exist in your resume. Let's check this one. The results are same, it also does not exist. The below are design elements to avoid. These elements may cause for ATS not to read your resume correctly. Now let's see the second tool, which is AI cover letter generator. This tool generates professional cover letter based on your resume and job you are applying for. You just need to upload your resume, enter job title, company name and job description which you are applying for. There are few optional details which you can provide or not, up to you. The more you share, the better your cover letter will be. Select the letter type if your letter should be more conversational or formal, and click on write a cover letter. Wait for a few seconds. Here we go. As you can see, the tool has generated a professional cover letter just in few seconds, which you can copy paste in Microsoft Word easily. The good thing I noticed about this letter is that the tool has effectively customized it, demonstrating a high degree of alignments with the specific job requirements and your resume. Look at this paragraph, which clearly shows that the candidate's ability to manage client relationships, handle project budgets, and deliver projects successfully, all of which are key responsibilities mentioned in the job description. Additionally, the mention of South of Wales offices indicates the candidate's willingness to work in specified location. Similarly, this paragraph indicates the knowledge of relevant codes of practice and the ability to assist with bid preparations and project briefs, which is well aligned with the job requirements. So, the last but not least, the interview preparation tool helps you to practice job interview questions for your desired job. You can also receive real-time feedback and sample answers in mock interviews. You can try Job Search Coach for free. All you need to create an account, have your resume draft, job description, and you are good to go. I hope you find this video useful. See you in next video. Allah Hafiz.